Hello there, my friend. It's the Range Ronin. I do appreciate you joining me for another chapter in the Range Ronin Chronicles Quick View series. I sincerely hope that you enjoy it. Without further ado, let me open the book and we'll get going. The Smith Wesson governor, in my line of thought, is that it is not an outstanding revolver, but it is different. If you like big bore revolvers, or if you're looking for a versatile backwoods firearm, or one to, as Smith Wesson states its purpose as, prevent a carjacking, the governor might be the right one for you. When first introduced, the MSRP for the governor was around $599. Today, it's more like $999 for the blue model and $939 for the silver model. That's a chunk of change for what I would consider a specialty firearm. In its defense, in these days of polymer frames and investment cast slides, we rarely see frame components fit together with the extreme precision as shown with the governor. Yes, there is that tiny hairline crack where the side plate fits into the frame, but I can live with that. As a comparison, the governor is much more refined and accurate than the Taurus Judge revolvers that I have handled and shot. The governor has a feel of quality and durability that many Taurus revolvers are lacking. It is a fun gun to shoot, and I would say with no matter what you load it with. Although that is supposition on my part, as I have not spent an extensive amount of time with different ammunition. It's time to end this chapter in the Range Rolling Chronicles. While not an exhaustive review, I hope that at least gave you food for thought if you are considering the governor, or maybe even a tourist judge. As I always recommend that you do your research, and if possible, shoot them before you consider the purchase of one. With a fond farewell, I hope that you will come back and sit another spell to watch my other reviews. Until that time, take care of yourself, be vigilant, armed, and safe out there.